everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the access right in Odoo 18 manufacturing module. So access rights gives the privilege to manage the operations of the manufacturing centers. So here we have only one type of user in the manufacturing, and that is the internal users. And as we just move on to the users here, you would be able to find that we can just manage the access rights of these users. And Odoo provides two types of access rights for manufacturing. That is the administrator who will be having all the power or the control over the work center. And the other one is the user who is simply a worker. So I'm going to set Michelle admin as the administrator, and let me consider the other worker, that is the user Mark demo. And for him, we will be setting the user as the access right. So once everything is done, now as we just move on to the manufacturing module, being an administrator, here you can see that the administrator will have the power to manage with the overview, the operations, the planning, the products, reporting, and the configuration settings of manufacturing module. So here, in this case, the administrator can just deal with the creation of a work center, work order dependencies. He can just manage with the subcontracting, and he can also manage with the shop floors or any other things under the planning and all. But as we just move on to the uh yeah access right only as a user, we can say a person who is simply a worker in the manufacturing center, he will be having limitations in dealing with the manufacturing app of Odoo 18. So as we just move on to the manufacturing module, here you can see that this user will be having the privilege to manage with the work center overview. Then he can just manage with the operations, planning, and products as well as reporting. But in this case, the user will not be having the power to control over the configuration settings, which means he cannot just manage with the master schedule planning, and he cannot manage with the work centers, work out dependencies, the shop floor, and any other things. So in case of manufacturing module, we can say that there will be only one user type, that is the internal user, and we don't need to consider any other user type such as a portal user or public user. And in case of internal user, uh, that is further having two types of access right, that as the administrator and simply as a user. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage the access uh, rights and user types in Odoo 18 manufacturing module. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.